Here I have Suzuki Vitara, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on the Apple CarPlay on this car. Let's begin. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen of the Suzuki Infotainment system. Let's here find and select the Apple CarPlay. From Apple CarPlay, all you need to do is find here and select the list of all apps. Then let's choose here settings, so it could be this icon on the left, but you can find also settings on the all apps list. Let's select here settings. And right now, all you need to do is scroll down until you see the wallpaper. And from wallpaper, you can decide which wallpaper you would like to use. Here you can try all wallpapers that you can set it up. In my case, I'm choosing this one. Let me tap set. So now, if I tap Apple CarPlay, I should see my new wallpaper. Alright, so that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.